President Biden signed 3 bills focused on first responders into law today.
One of those is the Bipartisan First Responders Act. That one will call for improved access to benefits for first responders who are disabled in the line of duty.
Another of the laws, the Cops Counseling Act. This provides support counseling programs for law enforcement officers. And soon now it's going to be easier to reach the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. The FCC disapproving an easy-to-remember 3-digit number.
This new number is going to be 988. It won't be active until next July, but once it's up and running, you'll be able to call that number or text it.
In the meantime, and currently, that number is 1-800-273-TALK. And now some breaking news that we're following tonight at 5 o'clock.
2 of the 3 men convicted of killing Malcom X were exonerated today. 83-year-old Muhammad Aziz and the late Khalil Islam were convicted in that 1965 assassination.
A 2-year investigation revealed withheld evidence, so a judge threw out both of their convictions today.
I'm an 83-year-old man who was victimized by the criminal justice system. I do not know how many more years of creative activity I have. However, I hope the same system that was responsible for this travesty of justice also takes responsibility for the immeasurable harm caused to me during the last 55 or 56 years.
There's a 3rd man, Thomas Hagan, who was also convicted of killing that civil rights leader.
Happening now, jurors in the Kyle Rittenhouse trial are still deliberating in Kenosha, Wisconsin. They did not make any requests of the judge today. Yesterday, the jurors asked to watch several videos that were a key part of that trial. And the defense attorneys for the 3 men accused of killing Ahmaud Arbery rested their case. They called 7 witnesses, including one of the men who is facing charges. 6 neighbors also testified in this trial. They shared concerns about crime in the neighborhood. The 3 men facing charges are accused of chasing and killing Arbery in February of 2020, claiming he was running from a house that was under construction. Arbery's family members say he was just out for a jog at the time he was killed.
So do you support a diplomatic boycott of the Beijing Olympics?
Something we're considering.
President Biden confirming right there might be a diplomatic boycott of the 22 Winter Games in Beijing.
Now, the United States would still allow athletes to compete. However, there would not be a government delegation at those games.
Human rights advocates have urged countries to hold China accountable for its record on human rights by skipping the Winter Games in February.